What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and here's some cryptocurrency news you should pay attention to today. Over the last 24 hours, we've had a lot happen in the cryptocurrency world. Let's start with the big news, the elephant in the room. Coinbase. Coinbase added, as they promised, Bitcoin Cash to their platform. Now, they said it would probably happen early 2018, but looks like they went ahead and moved it a little early. Now, the issue with the rollout is that there was so much confusion on if you could buy it, if you could sell it, if you could transfer tokens to it from one wallet to another, or one exchange to this one. And then came the big issue of, at one point, the pricing said, or value said, it was worth $8,000 from $3,000, which was, of course, very strange. And of course, there's an investigation taking place about possible somewhat insider trading, being that it's not regulated. We won't call it exactly insider trading, but basically some of the employees or someone taking advantage of the system and making sure that the price said that and selling at the same time. We don't have evidence of what exactly occurred, but for the community itself, outside of the drama related to this release, this is big news, because obviously any coin that's added to Coinbase skyrockets. Its value is going to increase because this opens a coin up to millions and millions and millions of more people and users. So certainly this means big moves for the market. And if you're not in Bitcoin Cash now, certainly you probably are interested in getting into it now. And if you're interested in what it is exactly, Bitcoin Cash is just the result of a fork from Bitcoin. And what it is it's a, let's say, a lighter, faster version of Bitcoin, because you can actually carry more data through their blockchain, and also it can communicate quicker. So you can do transfers more quickly than Bitcoin. So that was the point of creating Bitcoin Cash. At least that was supposed to be the point. And now that it's rolling out, and now that people know about it, even though this occurred back in August, now that more people know about it because of Coinbase, we should probably expect the value to increase. Also, while a lot of people were paying attention to Bitcoin Cash, I don't know if they continue to watch Verge. Verge had a great night. It looks like Verge went through another pump. I think it went from around 6 cents to roughly 12 to 13, maybe even 14 cents as we speak. So certainly this is a coin that gained a lot of value in a short period of time. It recently had a pump and then reversed its trend and went down maybe about a week ago, and now it looks like it happened again. And certainly without spending a lot of money, this is a coin that could have made you a lot of money. So it's something to continue to pay attention to. I'm not going to say buy at this moment. What I'm going to say is that it's a coin that you should pay attention to because it's at a price point which makes it easy to buy. And of course, it's been co-signed by several people as a good coin to get into, several influential people in the community. So it's something to pay attention to. Also, because of that, we saw the price of Bitcoin go down and recover and go up and down. I would say later today, we'll see where Bitcoin goes relative to the response to Bitcoin Cash. As of now, you can't buy Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase. However, I believe the last estimate came out about 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You should be able to purchase Bitcoin Cash. And at that point, I think we'll be able to see where Bitcoin is going to go for the day. But Verge did very well. Make sure you always, as we said yesterday, pay attention to your altcoins, not just the Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and now Bitcoin Cash. Pay attention to all the coins if you're really going to be in this community. Also, another note, for a lot of you that have earned a lot of money that are starting to cash out, we have a lot of people that are starting to cash out. Please do yourself a favor. Make sure you write a check out to Uncle Sam, okay? Because Uncle Sam will find you. Uncle Sam will audit the books, and Uncle Sam will get that money. It's better to pay ahead of time versus paying in the back end. Now, if you have expenses where you can offset your gains, so be it. Speak to your accountant about that. I'm not an accountant. I'm not trying to talk to you as an accountant, just as a person talking to a person. And my advice or my fair warning to you is to make sure that you are paying Uncle Sam, okay? Because Unc is going to get his.